So this question is an island question. Any question that has a table or an equation or a system of equations floating on top of the question is called an island question. Whenever you see that, I suggest you immediately take that table or equation straight to Desmos, which is what I do here. You can see I input all of the original information from the table here. Let's go back and continue to read from there. It says for the linear function f, which is another hint. Let's make sure that I have a linear regression selected here. That is the default setting, so that just means you don't change it. You leave it as linear regression. It goes on to say the table shows 3 values of x and their corresponding values of f of x. Function f is defined by f of x equals ax plus b, so that's important. Where a and b are constants, what is the value of a minus b? So whenever you put the table information in and set the proper type of regression, Desmos will create for you the equation. So that's our equation. So again, the question says it's in y equals ax plus b form, which means if this is our answer here, a is equal to 64 and b is equal to negative 128. And because the question wants the answer to a minus b, we'd have that equal to 64 minus negative 128. And we can see on the other side here, or we don't see because I cut off the multiple choice answers, but we can determine the answer here. If you'd like to use your calculator just to make sure you don't make a math mistake, we're going to just say, well, this is 64 minus times negative makes it a plus. So really it's going to be 64 plus 128, which is equal to 192. So your answer here is 192.